Guys, what is up? It's McNuggets here, and it's a very cold day, and I can't be doing a long video because this only lasts for 15 minutes. So yeah, it's so cold. I'm gonna hold my iPad like this because my hand is freezing. You know the sun is out today. It's not very sunny, if you know what I mean. It's probably because we're not in Toronto anymore. We're in, I don't know, like a different kind of town. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. That's why it's so cold that every town should have a different temperature from Toronto. So yeah. This is my very second vlog today. Maybe even my first, but like, I don't know about the very first vlog I did that time, but like, yeah. It's not really a vlog, it's just like a little pic, but it's on video. Alright, let's let you guys see this water. Just let you guys see this water right now. That's where my mom and dad will be fishing, and I'm just gonna stare at whatever they catch. And yeah, probably we will be doing just a front face video. It's just not now, after this probably, cause like, it's not gonna be as good because it's just front video, but I might have to just for the part 2 of this vlog because it's gonna be way more cooler and better because it's a part 2. And yeah, we're literally just being a hobo home person right now. This shit, like, look, like that. Spaghetti, bread, coffee. We're like a homeless person right now. So like, yeah, hopefully we will be doing this very often. Every time I come out, I'm gonna bring my tab and start recording because it's gonna be very fun. And yeah.
Umihi ka dyan sa loob ng van, dali mo yung timba. Diba nakahiga, tapo mo rin, bandawan mo.
It's too cold outside for me to be out here. It's like, I don't know, like 12 degrees Celsius. And it's not good. Let me actually go under the sun. It might be better. Oh, you could see the beautiful sun. And sort of me. Oh gosh. This will all capture in the video. But like, whoa. We're gonna go on adventures and like this. Ew. 960. I think that says 960. Alright, back to me. This is the wilderness. Just a very big circle. My car, the water, the woods, sort of, the highway. Ooh, whoa! I just saw a white-winged bird. It's black. It's a black bird, and it's white-winged.
Pag nagluto ako, sinabi ko rin, luto ko rin, luto na ito, tanggalin mo na ito.
Whoa, what does that say? This is just a very big wilderness. Just really a circle. Like, look, it's really just a big circle. Boop-a-doo, banana bus. Boop-a-doo, banana bus. Boop-a-doo, banana bus. Boop-a-doo, banana bus. Whoa. Alright, I think that was weird. There's a couple fishermen out there but I don't think you can see it because I can't zoom in on this because it's my iPad. I don't think you can. So I should actually brought my phone today. No, Sushi, no. Stay. No. Bad. Stop. Hey. Where are you going? Alright, let's follow my dog around. See where she's going. I would jump in the water right now, but it's like freezing. Hey, no. You literally are a douchebag right now. What the heck, man? Come on. Stop. No. If you jump in the water, I'm not going in to save you. Screw you. She probably just wants water. So I may have to put down the camera for a sec. Whoa. For a sec. Just because. Sushi, please do not jump in the water. I'm begging you. So I'm gonna have to put down the camera for a second because I need my dog to get water. Water. Yeah? Right here. I'm not. Go, go, go. Sushi, let's go. Climb up, Sue. I'm just trying to follow Sushi. No, there's no worms. Sushi, come. Oh, God. Let's just go for you. Sushi, come on. I know you can't climb because you're a hobo. Oh, there you are. Come on. Let's go. Whew. So cool. Spaghetti's cooking. My dad's cooking it. My dad's cooking the spaghetti.
Take me out, yeah, do the video for me.
Alright, guys, this is my dad. He... Why did you eat it just with like that? What's wrong with you? Dang. You just... Mom? Oh yeah, you took some water.
Okay, banat.
Alright, Sushi, come! Oh, she's a good girl. Who's a good girl? Come here. Ow! Ew. Just gonna follow my dog around. Come here, Sushi. Now, Sushi. All right, your choice. You can get lost in the wilderness. I don't care. My dog's gonna be eating spaghetti too because we didn't bring dog food, and she actually eats human food. It's not really wrong. Come here, Sushi, now. Okay, screw you. Come here, come. Stupid dog. I literally feel like I'm dying of the cold right now. Sushi, you could get squashed by the highway if you wish. Sushi, come here. Oh, you're peeing. I think I captured it. I think. Ah! Mom, let Sushi eat too. Ow! Stupid dog. What's wrong with you? Sushi, come here.
Hindi ako nilalamig. Tumigil lang ako dahil...
Where the hell am I gonna sit?
Baka gusto ko matulog.
Ang gagawin mo para fair, una na ako boy, pinauna na kita, hindi ka malang nagsalita sa akin. Oh boy,
Alright.
paputo kami last
I'm
time.
gonna have to end this video here because I
I
have to go eat, and then after I'm done eating, I will record another video. So yeah, bye. Peace.
Sabi nga ni Joe, hindi